Do you live in an apartment with a small balcony? Do you think gardening is impossible without land? What if I tell you that you can grow fresh vegetables, herbs, and greens even without soil? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about urban gardening for balconies and hydroponic kits. A complete beginner friendly guide for people living in cities, apartments, and small homes. Whether you are in the USA or India, this video will help you grow your own food clean, fresh, and healthy right at home. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's grow together. Urban gardening means growing plants in cities where space is limited. It can be done on balconies, rooftop, windows, or even indoors. Why urban gardening is trending? The reason is rising food prices, organic and chemical free food demand. Number three, mental peace and stress relief. And the last one is sustainable living. In countries like the USA and India, apartment living is increasing and urban gardening is the perfect solution. Best plants for urban gardening is herbs, basil, mint, coriander. The number two greens like lettuce, spinach, and vegetables, cherry tomatoes, chilies, and the indoor plants for air purification. Hydrophonic is a method of growing plants without soil using minerals, nutrition, rich water solution to deliver essential nutrition directly to the roots. And these techniques allow for year-round civilization in controlled environment, making it ideal for urban framing space. And this video provide a brief introduction to hydroponics. The benefits of hydroponic gardening is faster plant growths, higher yield compared to soil-based gardening, less risk of soil-borne pests and disease, and can be set up indoor or on balconies and use less water than traditional gardening. The best plants for hydroponic gardening at home. Not all plants thrive in hydroponic system. Choose plants that are adaptable, high yield and beginner friendly. The number one is leafy greens like spinach and lettuce. Fast growing and perfect for small indoor setups. Require moderate light. The number two is herbs like basil, mint, and oregano, compact and easy to harvest and ideal for the indoor kitchen. Third one is strawberries, high value fruit for urban gardens, needs bright light or LED lights and can produce multiple harvests. But the fourth one is tomatoes, compact hydroponic friendly varieties, high yield for small space. The fifth one is microgreens like radish, broccoli, sunflower, and the harvest in 1 to 3 weeks, very nutrient and easy to grow indoor. The type of hydroponic system. Several hydroponic systems are suitable for home use, like deep water culture, also called DWC, and the roots submerged in nutrient solution, simple and low cost. The second one is nutrient film technique, NFT, thin nutrient flow over root space efficient. Third one is wiki system, massive nutrients delivery, beginner friendly and low maintenance. And fourth one is drip system. Each system has pros and cons. So beginners should start with DWC or wiki system for simplicity. The setting up hydroponic garden at home. The step one, choose a system suitable for your space like a tabletop, balconies, or indoor shelf. The step two is select containers, tray, or net pots. Step three, add a growing medium, coco coir, clay. And the step four is prepare nutrient rich water solution according to the plant type. Step 5. Position plants in the system and ensure consistent lighting, natural or LED. The last one is monitor pH, water level, and nutrient concentration regularly. Care tip for home hydroponics. The number one is maintain water temperature between 18 to 24 centigrade and 65 to 75 Fahrenheit. Number two, provide 12 to 16 hours of light per day for leafy greens. The third one is change nutrient solution every 1 to 2 weeks. Next, keep system clean to prevent mold growths. And the last one is prunure the plants regularly for better growth. Common mistakes to avoid overfeeding or underfeeding plants, poor water, irritation leading to root rot, and incorrect pH level in nutrient solution, inconsistent lighting or temperature, and neglecting system of cleanliness. Now, my dear friends, I want to share with you some type of hydroponic systems which is useful and suitable for the different type of herbs, vegetables like DWC, deep water culture. Plants grow directly in water with oxygen spores and best for lettuce, spinach and herbs. The next system is NFT, nutrient film technique. A thin layer of nutrient water flows through the pipes and best for basil, mint and leafy greens. The third one is EBB and flow. Water floods and drains at intervals, best for tomatoes and pepper. Next is light and nutrients. LED grow lights 10 to 12 hours a day. Maintained pH level between 5.5 and 6.5. Use ready-made hydroponic nutrients. Many beginners fails because of small mistakes like overwatering, no drainage, wrong sunlight directions, ignoring pH in hydroponics and growing too many plants at once. Urban gardening is not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. You don't need land, you don't need experience, just a small space and the will to grow. If you want to detailed video on hydroponic setup and step by step, comment below. Tell me balcony gardening or hydroponics, which one do you want to try? Thank you for watching. Keep growing, stay green.